Hey everyone! If you've deployed an amazing web app on Vercel, you probably want to replace that long .vercel.app URL with a real domain. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Namecheap domain to Vercel. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account and click on Domain List in the sidebar. Find the domain name you want to use and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head over to your Vercel dashboard and open your project settings. Click on Domains on the left menu, paste your domain name into the input field, and click Add. Confirm the www redirect option as well. Vercel will show an invalid configuration warning. That's completely normal for now. It provides us with two DNS records, an A record IP address and a CNAME record for the www subdomain. Switch back to Namecheap, click Manage next to your domain, and open the Advanced DNS tab. Click Add New Record. Select A record, set the host to paste Vercel's IP address, and save. Next, select CNAME record, set the host to www, set the target, and save it too. Finally, go back to Vercel and hit refresh. It can take some time. Once it turns green, Vercel will auto-generate your free SSL certificate and your custom domain is live. Like and follow for more dev tutorials.